At first glance, the Recteq Backyard Beast 1200 looks like a serious piece of outdoor cooking equipment. The bold red and black finish, sturdy frame, and large hopper give it the kind of presence you'd expect from a dedicated pellet grill. The cooking surface appears generous, offering enough room for ribs, briskets, or a full spread of weekend favorites. Around the body, you can spot solid wheels, side shelves, and a clean control panel that seems easy to read. Now let's take a closer look at the controls. The PID controller appears to handle temperature with a high level of precision, holding steady through long cooks. The hopper looks deep enough for extended sessions without constant refilling, which may matter for slow smoking days. From here, the cooking experience seems smooth. Smoke flows gently from the chimney, and the grates appear well-spaced for proper airflow. Some users may prefer larger Recteq models, while others might find this size more practical for everyday backyard use. Overall, the Backyard Beast 1200 feels like a balanced choice. Solid, capable, and quietly built for people who take their grilling seriously without needing the largest unit on the market.